Jax, what you doing? You eating helicopters. Helicopters and bark. Say helicopters and bark, Grandma. What you doing? You murdered your toy.
Hey.
Jax.
Quit sniffing the bird poop.
What are you doing? You being grody. You being grody, Jax. Jax, come. Yes, good boy. Good boy. See, I'm coming, Grandma, because I'm a good boy. Let's stay up on the porch for a bit, buddy. Let's stay up on this porch for a bit. You can eat your helicopters. I don't mind. Or your stick. Helicopter. What are you doing, Goofy? Other than being goofy. He's got a helicopter just hanging out his mouth. He's trying to chew it. What are you doing? You planning on growing some trees in your belly? It's just hanging out. You see it? You are so goofy, buddy. That was just hanging out your little lips. You're such a goofy dog. Trying to get that helicopter. It's stuck in the crack. You need some help? Oh, you trying to get that one helicopter? Oh, you got it. It's right there, buddy. You see it? You got it. Look, it's right there. No, right there. There you go. You found it. See it? It's right there, buddy. Right there. Right there. Yes, there you go. You found it. And there's another one for you. Grandma'll be a big helper. He is so goofy. I love this dog. What you doing? Don't you chew your mama's shoes over there. He's just looking for helicopters that are stuck. He's a goofus. Stuck helicopters. That's what. Look, he just got one out the crack. You're so goofy, dude. You chewing helicopters. Yes.
He's looking at that truck.
Is it the same?